Hello and welcome to the FYP Progress Management System. This dashboard is designed for three main user roles. Let's start by looking at the admin page. To log in, the admin needs to enter the admin ID and password. If the admin forgets the password, they can click the Forgot Password button to create a new one. After resetting the password, the admin can log back in using the new credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the admin dashboard. Here the admin can view statistical data related to students and supervisors. The admin has the ability to add new students, add new supervisors, and post announcements for students. The dashboard includes buttons for managing students and supervisors. Clicking on the Show Students button will display the list of students registered by the admin. Similarly, the Show Supervisors button will show all registered supervisors. The admin can also manage the supervisor quota by clicking on the Supervisor Quota Management button, which allows for updating supervisor quotas. Now let's move on to the student page. First, students need to enter their student ID and password. If they forget their password, they can click the Forgot Password button. After resetting their password, they can return to the login page. Once the student successfully logs in, they will be directed to their student dashboard. In the dashboard, the student's name and student ID will be displayed, providing them with an overview of their account. Let's go through the different functions available in the student dashboard. First, students can see the supervisor list, where they can apply to supervisors. After that, they can go to the Submit Proposal page, then to the Submit Progress page, view supervisor feedback, and see their student profile. Now let's focus on the supervisor list. On this page, students will see the names of all available supervisors along with their details, such as email, quota, and more. To submit a draft proposal, students need to click the Message button to view the message for submitting the draft proposal. Now, let's move on to the supervisor page to see student applications. First, the supervisor needs to log in using their supervisor name, supervisor ID, and password. After a successful login, the supervisor will be directed to their dashboard. Let's go through the supervisor functions one by one. First, supervisors can see the names of students who have applied to them. They can then proceed to the Review Proposal page, where they can review student proposals. Supervisors can also review students' progress and provide feedback. Additionally, the dashboard includes a section for supervisors to view their profile. Now let's move on to the first page, which is the Student Applications page. On this page, supervisors will see the names of students who have applied to them as their supervisor. Supervisors can download the files submitted by the students and choose to either accept or reject their applications. Now let's use the student name Risal bin Paduri as an example. He has already chosen a supervisor and got accepted. To know if you have been accepted, simply click the Notifications button. The notification will display the status of your application. Next, after being accepted by a supervisor, the student needs to submit the full proposal. To do this, the student must enter the project title and upload the proposal file, then click Submit. Now let's jump to the supervisor's side. After the student submits the proposal, the supervisor can see the project title and the uploaded file in their dashboard. Supervisors can then choose to either accept or reject the proposal. Additionally, they must provide a comment explaining why they accepted or rejected the project. Back on the student side, they can check whether their proposal was accepted or rejected. To do this, students need to click the View Status button. This will display the status along with the supervisor's comments. After the proposal is accepted, students need to manage their FYP progress. In this part, students are required to send their progress chapter by chapter. For each chapter, students need to upload the relevant file and submit it to their supervisor. On the supervisor's side, they can review the submitted progress, provide feedback, and add comments. The supervisor's feedback will also be visible to the student, helping them improve their work and move forward with their project. That's all from my system. Thank you.